Hello everyone, how are you? I hope all of you are happy and healthy. So dear students, as you can see, today we are going to study pronouns. Okay? We are going to study pronouns. So let's see what is the definition of pronoun and how many types of pronoun. Okay? Is it clear? Okay. So let's see what is the pronoun. So students, if we talk about the definition of pronoun, we can say that pronouns are replacing noun. Okay? What is the function of pronoun? They replaces. Pronoun replace nouns. Is that clear? Just remember one thing. Pronoun replace nouns. All the words that replace a noun is called pronoun. Okay? You can see the definition I have mentioned here. Okay? Pronoun is the word which is used in the place of noun. Okay? Pronoun is the word that is used in the place of noun. Okay? Is that clear? I mean to say the word that replace a noun is called pronoun. Okay? You can see the example. Okay? Example number first. Mohan is my friend. In that sentence, Mohan is a noun. Okay? Mohan is a noun. He studies in my class. Who studies in my class? Mohan. So students, Mohan studies in my class. So student, in that sentence I have not used Mohan, but at the place of Mohan I have used the word he. That is a pronoun. Okay? That is a pronoun. Is that clear? Now see the second example. Anamika is a doctor. Okay? In that sentence, Anamika is a noun. Why? She lives beside my house. Who lives beside my house? So you will get answer Anamika. But in that sentence I have not used Anamika. So at the place of Anamika I have used the word she. Okay student? And that she is a pronoun. That she is a pronoun. Okay? Now see the third example. My father bought a bag. In that sentence, my father is a noun and bag. Okay? It is also a noun. Bag is also a noun. Okay? My father bought a bag. It was very costly. Okay? What was very costly? The bag was very costly. So, in the second sentence, I have not used the noun bag, but at the place of bag, I have used a word that is it. Okay, and this it is a pronoun. Is that clear? Okay students, so I hope you have got very well the definition of pronoun and the examples. Okay, now see kinds of pronouns. Okay, how many types of pronouns? So students, pronouns are of 9 types. Pronouns are of 9 types. How many types? 9 types. Pronouns are of 9 types. Let's see what are those 9 types of the pronouns. So first one, personal pronoun. Second one, demonstrative pronoun. Third one, possessive pronoun. Fourth one, indefinite pronoun. Fifth one, interrogative pronoun. Sixth one, reflexive pronoun. Seventh one, reciprocal pronoun. Eighth one, emphatic pronoun. And the last one, relative pronouns. Okay students? So these are the types of pronouns that we have to study one by one. Okay students? So I hope you have got the definition of pronouns and the types of pronouns. So students, I give you 2 minutes to note down these all points After that, we will continue the types of pronouns one by one. Okay? So time start now. Note down. Okay, students. So let's see types of pronouns. Okay. Now we are going to study personal pronoun. Okay. So students, if we talk about the personal pronoun, so personal pronoun generally refer to person. Personal pronoun generally stands for persons. Okay. We can divide into three categories of personal pronoun. Okay. We can study personal pronoun into three forms. Okay. We have three categories. The first category, first person pronoun. Second category, second person pronoun. And third category, third person pronoun. Okay. So we have three categories of a personal pronoun. Okay. And after that, we have two forms: subjective forms or subjective case, objective form or objective case of a personal pronoun. Okay, is that clear? Okay, students. So students, in the category of first person pronoun, we study two pronouns. The first one I and the second one we. Okay, students. First one I and second one we. So students, I, that is a singular in form. That is a singular in form. If I is singular, then what is the plural of I? Okay? We. Yes. We is the plural of I. Okay, students? Okay. And if I is the subjective case, so we is the objective case. And us is the objective case of pronoun we. Okay? Is that clear? And again, here me is singular. Okay, and us is a plural. Is that clear? Okay, if we talk about the gender, then I and we both is a common gender. Is that clear? Both I is also used for common gender and we is also used for common gender. So first person pronoun is used for common gender. Okay. Now see second person pronoun. In the category of second person pronoun, we have only one pronoun, that is you. Okay? You. It is alone. And then you is both in himself. It is singular and it is plural, both. It depends on the context how you used it. So you is singular and plural both. Okay, in itself, and its objective case is you. Okay, objective case is you. Is that clear? If we talks about the gender, so you is also common gender. Okay, it is used as the common gender. Is that clear? Okay. Now see the third category of personal pronoun, that is a third person pronoun. In that category we have he, she and it. Okay, students? He, she and it. These three are the singular. Okay? These three are the singular. And if these three are singular, then what is the plural? That is plural they. They is the plural of these three pronouns. Okay? He is the subjective case. And him is the objective case, she is the subjective case, or is the objective case. It is the objective case, subjective case, and it is the objective case. They is the subjective case, and them is the objective case. Okay? If we talks about the gender, so he is used for masculine gender, she is used for feminine gender, it neuter gender, and they is a common gender. Okay, students? So I hope you have got these all points about the personal pronoun. Okay? I hope you have got these all facts about the personal pronoun. Okay? If you have any doubt, you can message me, you can call me. Till then, watch the video, enjoy the video, and take a screenshot and make a proper note. Okay? In the next video, we will continue the next types of pronouns. Okay? Till then, take care. Bye.